Hello guys and welcome to my first video in Scratch. Today I'm going to be doing a jumping game, so let's start. So first, how about we choose a sprite? I'm going to be choosing the chick. Okay, now I'm gonna be resizing it to 20. Oh, that's too much. Just 20. 120. Okay, and then I'm gonna be choosing a backdrop. I'm gonna choose the blue sky. You can choose the same. It can be any sprite you'd like, any backdrop, any sprite you'd like. Okay, so let's start by coding our chick. Okay, so we can start coding our chick. So let's go to events and go when space key pressed, and make sure it's on space key, not any other, but just space key. Okay, and then go to control and bring to repeat 10 buttons. Okay, so we're gonna go to motion and then bring change to change Y by buttons. And if you're new to Scratch, I'm gonna tell you a little something. As you can see that X and Y represent something in Scratch. X represents side by side and Y represents up and down. So that means if we put negative minus over here, if we put minus over here, if you put this normal, it goes up. If we put negative, it's like this. So we're gonna put negative down and up. So now when I press the space key, it jumps. And how I will let it play at start round chip. Okay, so let's see what we did. It's not good. See? Every time I press the space key, it does this. So how about we go and add an obstacle? So now I am going to choose an obstacle. So let's see. I'm going to be choosing the egg. So let's see, where is the egg? There it is. Okay. So we don't want the egg to be bigger than the chick. So let's make it 80. And now we have the size 80 for this. So now we want the egg to glide from here and start till here to touch the egg. So how about we start doing that? Okay, so let's start. So first we're gonna go to events, then when flag click button. Then we're gonna go to motion I mean. We're gonna want the egg to glide over from the start till here. Well, that's easy in Scratch. When you go to motion, you're gonna go to this. It updates every time you move it. So we want the egg to put it where you want this to start. Then you're gonna bring the go to, which is exactly okay, which is updates every time you change the X and Y of the egg. So then we want the egg to glide over to the chick. So that's also easy in Scratch. You're gonna bring the egg to where you want it to glide over and stop right there. And then it updates to the X and Y. And since we want this to go forever, what you're supposed to do is bring the forever button and here. So how about we see what we accomplished? Look. Oh, but as you can see, it's going really fast. So we're gonna change this to 3. Now it's slow. But you can see every time it touches the chick, it doesn't do nothing to it. So what you're supposed to do You're gonna go to events, then go to when flag clicked button, and then you want to stop the game, right? But in control, you're gonna find the stop all. So look, I'm gonna open my program. When I touch this, stop, stops the whole program. So how about, so now we wanted to stop all, but what we wanted to touch the check so it can stop it. So we're gonna bring the wait until in control, and then go to sensing and go to touching mouse pointer, and we're gonna change this to check. So how about we see what we have accomplished. Okay, so let's see. Look, I'm gonna lose purposely. Look, the program stopped. It's not gliding, not jumping. Okay, so there's some problems with Scratch. When I jump, sometimes the chip gets stuck in the air. Just stuck there. So what you're supposed to do, leave the sprite where it's supposed to be, then go to events and bring when flag clicked button, and then go to motion. Then bring the go to X and Y right over there. So now let's see. See, it won't be stuck. Let's see. Okay, so how about we add one more obstacle? Let's add one more obstacle to make the game more fun. So we don't go to Sprite. We're gonna duplicate this by right clicking on it, and boom, we duplicated the egg. So let's see. But as you can see, you can't see the egg. Where is the second egg? Well, because it's on the first egg. So what you're supposed to do, you're gonna go to control and bring wait button here. But there's also something more. It's the egg waits on the screen until the other one. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to looks. Okay, let's go to looks. And then when you go down, you'll have this hide and show. So let's make it hide when it's waiting and show when it's finished. So let's see. Look, it's all perfect. Now, how about let's do the last step, which is making it a score. That's also easy in Scratch to do. So let's go to variables, and then we're gonna go to make a variable and name it score. Oops. RE, score. Okay, we can see the variable over here. So let's make it, change the, not here, we want to go to the check. Change variable over here, let's change it to score. And then we're gonna set the variable 0 when it starts. Wait, just wait. Okay, here. So now, how about we see what we've done and accomplished? Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned from this video. Well, bye.